Right, so more than halfway through our checklist now. We really just want to provide an example of the thinking process, the analytical process that lets us see about these applications. So for instance, if I had the partner step back Zenka Tadachi Ginambarai and he comes in with a Chudan shot and it's got to be stopped like this so that I can land this, then that gives us an application. Well, that's actually too close, so I'd need you to start further away. And then we're going to come in, there we go, and oh, but now I'm too far away for landing this part of it. So this isn't perhaps so good. So let's have a look at how we can change this up. First thing, square on isn't so clever. So I need a 45-degree angle. I could be at this 45-degree angle with that still being the block and putting this up over here. I'm still not close enough for this thing to land. Not even when we go that way. It's not safe because I'm in front of that. So I'm better off out here. I'm still not close enough. So maybe I can afford to be closer because that's now passing me by and I can get to here. But I'm still only just making contact at the end of the shot. And is this really the best way to block this shot coming in? And is he really likely to make that shot in the first place from all the way over there? So we're going to need to close down the distance because it's got to be the kind of distance where I've got a problem. Because from over there, I don't actually have a problem. There's nothing to respond to because when he steps back and tells me, Chudan, comes in and punch, can't really hit me anyway. So let's take we can still have a straight punch, but it can still be here, and then with that in place, this happens, and then this comes out, and we don't necessarily want to look at the fist when we can look at the forearm. You know, the whole of it can hit. And it might even be that we hit with the elbow. So we have this all in position now. But what if it were a hook punch? We can stop it like that and drop that in there like that. And we end up with the same situation. Or we can capture it like that and push that through like that. Or we can just hit that, and hit that, and it becomes a triple shot without any need for grabbing at all. Or I can escape to the outside and bring this in this way. Or it might be that I prefer matters of restraint and we close it down that way. The point is to check what we're doing at each stage. Was it the kind of attack that might really happen? Was it at a distance where it might really happen? Was it a situation which left me in a beneficial end to the scenario? Was it a position where I managed to take his balance? Was it a position where I could control how much was put in to either sedate or smash or cause terminal damage? Should such a thing be necessary, we can upscale it. You can't really backpedal it once you go to the extreme in the first off. But would I have options from any of those positions? So when we're looking at our kata, what we want to do is to apply that kind of thinking to the techniques that we come up with, just a little bit of critical analysis so that we don't end up with something that just ends up being implausible.